In this video, we are unboxing 2 orders from Villa Beautifful. I needed some more of those pretty pens, and then I needed a place to store them. So we're going to set up my brand new pen case for our pen display from Villa Beautifful, and then add some new pens to it. Oh my gosh, I got the mystery pen, I got the pen holder, and one of my favorite things to order from Villa Beautifful is the gift sets because they come with extra goodies. All right, so this is the acrylic BB pen stand. It holds 10 pretty pens, and it holds 20. I'm sorry, I have 10 and it holds 20, so that gives me plenty of space. Let's check this out. All right, let's set it up together, and then that will give us a display. It probably has that clear stuff to peel off. Let me show you up close. Acrylic comes with this clear protectant on it, so you just have to peel that. All right, step 1 is bottom layer, then the top layer. Okay, ta-da! All built. Let's add some pretty pens. So this was the VB mystery pen that released around Black Friday. So I took a shot at it to get the mystery pen, and I love it. So it's like a dark teal, almost like a blackish teal. It has rose gold hardware and really, really pretty crystals in white and a very light pink and that rainbow shiny whatever that stuff's called. It's like unicorn. So there's pen number 1. Whenever you order a pen, it comes with one of these refills, so I always save those for when I need a refill. And I also ordered that pen and then 2 kits that were on sale. These are the gift sets, and I love these because they come with extra goodies. So let's check this one out. This is a color I didn't have, so I thought it would be cool to get something a little bit different. All my other VB pens are pink and purple, so I'll show you all of those at the end because we're going to add them all to this display. I wanted somewhere I could keep them that they wouldn't get scratched. So let's see what comes in this set. This set has some cute stickers, a roll of washi tape that is like a scallop with bows, very pretty, the pen refill, and a little charm, little charm in there, and our pretty pen. And this one's like robin's egg bluish green with rose gold hardware. I will list in the description box which pens and which sets these are. I don't know if they're all still in stock. So this one has a spring green, a light blue, and a peach, and maybe clear crystals in there, and rose gold hardware. Really pretty. That one there. And then this set is called Bloom or something like that. Again, I will list it in the description. I wanted this lighter pinkish peach color specifically to match my Notique planner cover that I got for this year. Okay, you guys, check this out. I was so excited. It's a perfect match. Perfect match. Look. Obsessed with rose gold. You guys, I love it. So this set comes with some little functional stickers, a little roll of washi tape. It's like a little yellow gingham for spring with some flowers on it. Really cute. Pen refills for both pens. It comes with 2 pens. This one to match my planner cover, and this one, it's like a yellow with little floral sequins in there, rose gold. Yeah, really pretty. Let's open these and put them in here. And then it also comes with, it looks like some other little stickers and something else. Okay, here's the yellow pen. This one I'm thinking is going to match with my butterfly planner cover. I think it has yellow in it on my Go Getter Girl, but we'll check that out in another video. So let's put that one over here. And then this one to match. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. That matches perfectly. I'm so happy. I love matchy matchy. All right, let's see what color sequins are in here. They're like a lavender, a little bit of that robin's egg blue, kind of like that, and some clear. Really pretty. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Some really pretty die cuts. Cute, sparkly. Plant the seeds of your future. Some like journaling cards. Really cute. What is that? Keep going. This looks like a journaling card too. Some cards for decor. Okay, here are the pens up close with a little bit better lighting. I am obsessed. I love sparkles. They're so pretty. Okay, here's the rest of my VB pen collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in here too. I'm not sure like where. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them in here and then I'll figure out, I don't know, maybe all my pink and purple should go in the back. I have 6. Purple, let's do like purple, mauve, light pink, bright pink, and magenta. What do we think? I love it. I love it. And there's room for a few more.